Have you ever wondered why we suggest a separate day and night cream? I'm Rochelle, a skin therapist at Skin Mart, and I'm here to explain why we do and what the difference is. A day cream is there to hydrate and protect us from the damage we face day to day, such as sun exposure, dirt and pollution. Whereas a night cream is there to repair and restore. Our skin has the ability to absorb vital ingredients when it goes into the repair phase as we sleep. So this is why a separate day and night cream benefits the skin so much. This leads me to introduce the new CosMedix night cream called Resync. Resync is a revitalizing night cream that hydrates and quenches the skin for long-lasting moisture while the skin is in its repair and restore phase. This lightweight texture is formulated for all skin types to help refine the skin after being exposed to environmental stresses. So to use the Resync, apply 1 to 2 pumps to your face, neck and décolletage every night after cleansing and toning and after the application of prescribed serums. What I love about this packaging is it gives you the exact correct dose and you don't have to put your fingers in it, and it's just one pump and then you just scoop the product up. It's really amazing. Let's look at some of the key benefits. It deeply hydrates the skin to improve softness and radiance. It revitalizes the look of the skin after environmental stresses. It helps to improve overall appearance of fine lines, dark spots and uneven texture. If you would like to purchase the Resync, please click on the link below, or if you're not sure if this product is right for you, please head to the advice tab on the website and a therapist will be more than happy to help.